Dessert naman tayo for today's video. These are freshly made custard donuts from Homemade by Chef Yan. I've been eyeing on this dessert shop for weeks now, so happy talaga ako when they reached out to send some. Parang na-manifest ko siya. Wow! This is the original custard and it was pretty good. Very creamy and kahit ang dami ng filling, it's not too sweet pa rin or heavy. Plus, I really like the super fluffy and pillowy brioche dough. Eto naman yung donutella and dito na ako medyo natamisan kasi aside from the chocolate filling, the donuts are actually coated pa with white sugar. But guys, legit, it's filled with pure Nutella inside. So if you have a sweet tooth or love mo Nutella, this is the one. Siguro sa next order ko, happy na ako na walang sugar coating. Okay, ito naman yung favorite ko, the coffee custard. At this point, I just had to get rid some of that sugar coating, but this flavor, grabe ang heaven for me kasi parang it's giving best of both worlds together. Donut plus coffee and you really can't go wrong with that. It was creamy, so light, yet you really